Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're looking at what we consider the best Kwikset Premis Smart Lock available right now. The Kwikset SmartCode 270 ** keyless entry electronic touchpad Deadbolt. If you're considering upgrading your home's security with a smart, convenient, and sleek lock, this one might be just what you're looking for. Let's start with the basics. The SmartCode 270 is a matte black, modern-styled electronic deadbolt from Kwikset. With this lock, the keyless entry experience is front and center. Gone are the days of fumbling with keys. Just punch in your code on the backlit touchpad, and you're in. It's great for both convenience and security, especially when you have your hands full or need to grant temporary access to guests or service providers. The standout feature here is the auto lock functionality. You can set the lock to automatically secure the door after 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3, 5, or even 10 minutes. This helps ensure your door is never accidentally left unlocked, adding a strong layer of peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Security-wise, it meets Grade 2 BHMA certification standards. That means it's been tested to be up to 2.5 times stronger than basic residential locks. It's not just about convenience. Kwikset clearly prioritized durability and safety here. And if someone tries to guess your code and gets it wrong 3 times in a row, the lock sounds an intrusion alert and temporarily disables the keypad to deter tampering. This gives you complete control over who has access and for how long. Whether it's family, babysitters, house cleaners, or Airbnb guests, you'll never have to worry about physical keys again. You can easily update or delete codes when needed. Installation is also incredibly user-friendly. You don't need a handyman or any professional tools, just a screwdriver and a bit of time. And if you're someone who prefers visual guidance, Kwikset includes access to the Built app, which walks you through installation with 3D interactive instructions using voice, animation, and text. Battery life is another practical bonus. It uses 4 Ah alkaline batteries and runs for a minimum of 12 months before needing a change. While the batteries aren't included in the box, the extended lifespan means fewer interruptions and less maintenance overall. A quick note on design: its clean, matte black finish fits in with most contemporary home styles, making it not just functional, but also stylish. The keypad is illuminated, which means nighttime access is just as simple as daytime use. At a price point around $120, plus shipping if you're outside the US, this lock offers exceptional value. Considering its features, smart security, ease of use, and sleek appearance, it's easy to see why this has become a top choice for so many buyers. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for a highly secure, easy to install, and elegantly designed smart lock for your home, the Kwikset SmartCode 270 should be at the top of your list. It's a perfect blend of form, function, and affordability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the products that matter most. Catch you in the next one.